Filling out a MoneyGram money order is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's done correctly. Begin by looking for the pay to the order of line. You'll write the full name of the person or business you're sending money to. Here, accuracy is key, and misspelled name can cause problems when they try to cash it. Next, you'll fill in the amount. There are usually 2 places for this in the first box. Write the number for the amount. For instance, 100 in the second box. Write out the amount in words like 100, and then indicate the cents, such as 0100. Now, look for the section where you need to provide your information as the purchaser. Fill in your full name and address accurately. This is important for your records, and in case there are any issues with the money order. Don't forget to sign the money order where it says purchaser's signature. This makes the money order valid. If there are any other specific instructions for endorsements, follow those carefully. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything you've written. Check the payee's name, the amount, and your details to make sure they are all correct and easy to read. Your MoneyGram money order is now ready.